Mr. Tukaniriza natera ku mukutu gwaffe omuganzi ogumanyikiddwa nga Uganda Mukamooli amanya eddoboozi pampita ntambi Jameso a rich boy and Max original requirement wekumira wano mpola mpola and tutambula ffe n'olunaku lwa leero tukuleetedde online concert ya Bobi Wine yamana mulezi gwe bayita Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine alina concert egenda mu maaso ssaawa zino so n'olwekyo tumukuleetedde obeere nga omulaba. First time concert yagituuma ensasage mu nnyumba we yakolera record ey'amaanyi nti yafuna abantu emitwalo ebiri mu kanaana n'abeera nti akola record era nga twali muyimbi muna Uganda yasobola kuba nti afuna abantu abo bukyanga lockdown yetandika n'okuba nti bukyanga bakola online concert. Now Bobi Wine akomyewo ne concert endala emanyikiddwa nga freedom concert. Eno concert kirabika ekwatagana ku byabufuzi ne political situation eri mu Uganda. So n'olwekyo Bobi Wine olunaku lwaliro asaze okuba nti ayimbira abantu ne Muganda bamanyikiddwa nga Nobianalizi. This is not like tusuubira concert n'okubeera political ng'agenda kwogera ku bintu bingi ebyenjawulo okuli scientific elections, okuli how President Museveni is organizing how is President Museveni is trying to disorganize the elections and the country. That's n'olwekyo ebyo by'ebimu ku Bobi Wine byagenda okwogerako. Katukuleetere Bobi Wine concert eno obeere ng'ogirabirako, then after tujja kukomawo mpola mpola n'ebintu ebirala bingi tujja kubanga tukola gye bayita tujja kubanga tuanalyzinga concert eno after mpola mpola. Weewole kwekumira wano ku mukutu gwaffe omuganzi, then katukomemu mpola mpola.
Magicians, educate those people. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Aye. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow. Be a solution. Different times are here, searching for a solution. Oh yeah. Don't be a victim, be a solution. We got to let it in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't do that. Say don't do scientific election. No, scientific
Yeah man, kano ka moment bakaita anytime from now.
Scientific election.
Oh yeah.
We don't need no scientific.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah man. Naika mbuzemu ebyokusaga. Mukambuzemu ebyokusaga eh?
Yeah.
Mulowooza Joel Ssenyonya akola ki kati sawa ze? Yeah man, Joel, we're sending you love and your beautiful bride. Yeah man.
Joel, wachikubye.
Okitegeera?
Wachikubye?
Buli omuntu oza yabadde ayimagininga nga Joel nowa story
kyali wano yebu.
Olowooza Joel ali ku kisa?
Atema keki kati.
Yeah man. Bless. Kongs Joel and the entire world joins you. Tuba celebrating chakabi nyo. Yeah, anytime now. To testing kati. To testing internet. Nga betuvuga to cage tugenda bakubira emiziki. Yeah, it's always a pleasure. Aye. Yeah, kumulundi gunera kanchogererewo kino. okulaba sheno kugenda kuba kwa bwerere. It's going to be free entry to the show. Of course, we know it's not free. Just being able to access the internet has costs. So that's why we did not want to charge. Not that we don't need the money, but you know, we know the challenges that you go through also. So for those that want to help, to contribute, to empower us, we have our fundraising platforms and a phone number that you can help contribute, especially on the efforts that we've been having lately. We make this music free, not because we don't need money from it, but because we know that it's more important that more people get the message. We want to say big up to the Freddy Schnuman Foundation for Freedom in Africa. We want to thank you for the friendship, and Mr. Martin, good luck. We know today is your last day in office. We send big ups to you, you know. Say no to scientific. No be and say something. So testing him internet.
Anytime now. Nanti on our way to the venue where tugenda okubira ekivulo. Anytime now. Tubalimu mucharging esimu data mutekeko. Yes, tukimanyi nti no bateekawo OTT ate be bantu be bamu abagala okuleeta simanya scientific election, scientific ebiki campaigning. Already ogwo musolo gwe bateekawo abantu million 4 kuba bateekawo OTT bava ku social media. So we say no to scientific election. Kubanga ensi endala na America wafudde abantu abangi okulonda kugenda maaso, campaigns zigenda maaso. Malawi mwakirabye okulonda kwabaddewo. So baleke kwekwasa kintu kyonna kyebagala okwekwasa tubigane. Bannayuganda twetaaga okwebereramu eno decision y'omukulembeze gye baagala okufuula ekyokuzanyisa kitukwatako nga bannayuganda. So tetunakkiriza abantu kuleetawo mbeera yakutuzanyirako bwe batyo, kubanga ekintu ky'okulonda kiri very important. Ye mundu gye twasigaza. Akalulu is the modern bullet you have. So tukozesa akalulu okuleeta enkyukakyuka era tukalonde mu butuufu bwako.
Yes,
nga constitution wegamba.
Alright. Aje naye King Sir asoko babongeko mwana bape.
Respect bachali bafa. Olunaku lwa leero ensasage era ndoza Brad nziza kamba tengene ne setting.
Alali. Yama. Chakabi. Woge no muleta.
Ngena kujja naye ngena muvuga.
Kale papa. Atobusiza ne mwana muyayo. Kale yamani twegweko donsa respect. Chakabi bloody. Twegweko katu yeah, blessed love. Yeah. Heading to the show. Bless. Different times are here.
Oh yeah.
Searching for the answer.
Oh yeah.
Don't be a victim, be a solution. We have to persevere. Aye. Yeah, see you soon. Joel, enjoy the show, my brother. Yeah. May God bless your marriage and your beautiful bride. Nebachali bafemwe na Firebase Ame Kayabura Mbogo Babobi Diehards. This is for the music family, but also sending out love to the people power movement. Chairman Nyanzi Chichina Flavia Kalule, David Lewis. Blessed love. See you soon. Now we are going to leave, because anytime now tukenda kuwanga to komao. Yeah, anytime see you again now. In Okimanyi saa ziri mwenda.
Yeah man.
Makuga speed man. See me speed emenya mateka na itu very fast.
I said no to scientific election.
Oh yeah.
We don't need no scientific election. All we need is the normal election. Yo.
See you in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
God willing.
Anytime now.
Bus. Hey, Jaja Pani. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Searching for the answer. Don't be afraid. Be a solution. We got oh Lord, bind together in our home. Oh, we try, so we find a way in Africa. In Africa. In Africa.
In Africa.
Ningaona ngolwairo. Ngende tukubera gono.
Papa.
Ngende tukubera
Laga. Ay.
Joel. Greetings, Joel. And the moon. Next to the moon.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, Pademan. Yeah, tuli mukuzikiriza nkutekeko ku loudspeaker obuze ku bantu nga wetujaye. Teka ku loudspeaker magician. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, on the phone is producer Pademan. Yeah man, Jaja Pade. Chiricha abana batuse dabona. Banange in a few minutes. Edachika 2 kwa 3. Yes ebo. Kale bambi mukachinge vibe soon coming. Bless. Webale kwogerako n'abantu bade bakuulira. Obadde live. To testing a Facebook line yape. All right, cheers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, see you in a short while. Peace out.
Freedom comes to those